Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I will show you one as popular car around the world, like especially in Korea. This one in the car at Korea is so popular. The name of this car is Ketto 2025 and Ketto 2026 is not different. I think the same. This one the name of car is Ketto. Ketto with the engine 1.4 with turbo. Yep, come with turbo. Make engine the stronger and stronger. This is the function of turbo that we put in Kia Seltos 2026 for Kia Seltos. You can see right now we have two color like black and white. If someone want to buy black and white, you can come visit our showroom. We have available stock. Come test drive and you can buy. No pre-order, no booking. Just buy. Okay, here we have like sensor. Sensor we have. Smart key we have. Camera we have. This is smart key of Kia Seltos 2026. Here, Kia Seltos. Yep, like lock, unlock, and hold also here. We have two key for our you. When you buy, the company will give you two key. And this one, the daytime running light in here. Yeah, the fog lamp at the bottom. And this one, the light, the time running light. This one, the sensor. Yeah, we have sensor also. You hit the sensor. Yeah, we have sensor and we have like the brand gear. So this is brand gear, yeah, KIA. Yeah, the brand gear. This is so beautiful car. Yeah, you can tell up here. Yeah, and so popular car also in Cambodia. Yeah, this one. Engine, I told you already, engine 1.4 with turbo, come with turbo. As you know already, the turbo is make the engine's power get stronger and stronger about engine for setup for this one. And 1 kilometer spent petrol around 5 or 6 lit for petrol for spent petrol for this one. Yeah, here. So popular also for this one. Yeah, this one for the wheel around 17. Yeah, here you can see 17. And we have like here you can tell look. The inside you can here we have like black interior. Interior we have the black one. Outside interior is the same one style, not different style. Different on the outside. Interior we have black white, but interior we have only one. This one, the black one. And here you can tell look here like for this one, and this is the control, the mirror, and this one the lock and unlock also easy to lock back. And we use like menu like auto seats. Here you can see auto seat for this one. This is the black one. Yep. And this one for the light in front for up and down for this one. And this one for traction, this one for sensor. You know already that the car we have sensor. If you want to turn off or you want to close sensor, it's make our sometimes it's make our noisy border, so we can close and on for this one. You see here. And this one we have like control the light. This one. And this one for panel shift. Yeah. You see already. Yes. And I go to inside. And this is for good, and this is for like crew control, smart crew control. We have smart crew control, and this is the lane keeping. Yeah, here we have technology with the Seto 2026 25 and 26. I think it's the same, no different. And this is we use smart key, like we use each start and stuff for this one. Yeah, and we have like here screen for this one also. You can tell okay, like we have like Apple CarPlay and we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto we can connect for this one, and Google Map also you can tell okay, and sound nature we also have. Okay, we could go to the setting and the vehicle. A vehicle like we have here the driver assistant, mean that is technology that assists our driving. So here you can like see here dressing, warning, we have everything on that one. Yeah. This is the safety technology to assist when we try. This is the sound. The sound that we can like move, like move left, move right, move up and down. Also, this one you can tell. Okay. Yep. Here we have also just system alarm. Okay, we can control. Yep. Here for the lighting. Here for the first row of kerosene. This one the lock. When you lock a door, you can lock this one. We can lock like back. We lock in front and back side. We can lock this one here. Yeah, and this one for control like the number of the air conditioner. This one up, this one down. You can see here like this one auto, this one AC, and out the air conditioner. So you can on for this one. Yeah, this one the volume. Yeah, this one. You can see tell lock, and we have wireless charge also for this one. We have one port for wireless charge. Meaning we can charge one phone here. Yeah, put phone and we charge auto for this one. Like here. Yeah, you can see. And this one for the parking, electronic parking for this one. Electronic parking, and this one for auto hold. You know auto hold already. When we stop car, no need to parking. So you can stop, and then when you go, you can press this one, and then we go more. Auto hold. This one the cold seats. Our car have cold seat for this one, and this one also for driver. Also have for passenger. Also have both outside. Have both for this one, and this one for view camera. This one you can turn look here like view camera. We have one camera at the back side. This one, no two, we have only one camera. This one you can turn look here. Yeah, this is the camera at the back side. Yeah, we have like also like driving mode to our driver. This is driving mode like we have already here. Yeah, we have with driving mode like we have like sport, like smart, like comfort, like eco. This is the driving mode, and we have traction like snow, like mood, like sand. We have like three mode traction also. You see already here. I show you. This is the traction. No, this is the driving mode for Seltos 2025. Yeah, here the spec of it. Okay, and this one for the putting the bottle here, like buffet, like we can put here. Yeah. And then this is the open the light for this one. Yeah, and then here open the sunroof. You can turn lock here. Like, you see here we can open the big one until the back side. You can turn lock here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's I told you already that interior have only one, like black one. Yeah. Interior not as differently interior. Interior have black and white, but interior only one style, only one, all black here. You can tell look here. Yeah, it's all black. Yeah. Here for the passenger at the back side. Here the passenger at the back side is that I think it's too big. For example, like you have like 5 member or 6 member, you can choose Ketto here. The price here 30,000. Yeah, 35,000 US dollar here. You can turn off. It's a big one. Yeah, we then can draw out the air conditioner for this one. Here the black one. Yeah, and also have like child lock here, the child lock for to when you have a children, you have baby at the back side, and then they don't want that you don't want your children or your baby out, and then you can lock. But we can open. You outside you can open, but the inside cannot open out. Come out, okay. Here the back side, like Kia Seltos. Yeah, you see already here the Kia Seltos. Kia Seltos has like camera here. Camera, I told you have one camera, and this one Kia Seltos, and this one the sensor. Yeah, we have like 5 sensor. In front have 2 and back have 3. Total 5 sensor and one camera to assist for parking. To have to assist the driver for parking. You see here in the back side. In the back side, like we have like the valve for here, like we have this one, and we also have this one also. I don't know the name, but I will try to search more the name and point the name one by one. See, you can tell look here. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yep. In the back side, it's so beautiful, and the price also. The price also good for this one. Here you can tell look here. Yep. Uh, yep. Here you can tell look here. Yes. This one, this so beautiful. This one the black one. Yeah, it is we have like this is the cool one also for this one here. Here for put something here. Yep. Here you can open on the top one. Yes. Okay, here. I think so beautiful. The pricing I told you already 35,000 US dollar. Yep, here. Okay, if you want to interesting, you can contact me, and thank you for watching from beginning until the end. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye everyone.